Are you speaking like that? You can speak
My Naija people don bring ogbonge bishop news story. My name na Nehi. Make a sharply yarn on some tori wey be say e just happen. Calabar police don arrest 33-year-old woman wey be house help wey go thief-talize im oga jewelry wey cost pass $60,000 wey im oga keep for inside im house after 24 hours wey be say dem just employ her wey she start work and on Sunday October 27, 2024 na Calabar police arrest her for inside Ikoyi. The name of the house help na Alice Ude for inside Ikoyi police station and dem carry her take go. The Abia State House of Rep member wey be Alexander Ikweche wey dem see for on top dis video dey beat one taxi driver wey im name be Stephen Abrasaye during wey be say the man go deliver something take give am for im house as im come dey threa ten the taxi driver say im go pay people $50 million and dem go fire am and nothing go happen for inside Nigeria. But Calabar police don come out to come talk for inside Abuja say dem don confirm say dem don arrest Honourable Alexander Ikweche after we say the gbege take happen and na FCT command Calabar police na there they keep am. But later, Honourable Alexander Ikweche don come out to come write on top in social media, come apologize, they give Nigerians and also they give taxi driver, say he realize or say wetin he do, say he not good at all. But plenty Nigerians don come dey yarn, say this one not be apology something, say him must face the law.
You looking at me? What? Who the hell do you think you're talking to? Do you know who I am? I'm a senator of this republic. Do you know who the fuck? Do you know who the fuck I am? How dare you?
Are you slapping me, sir?
You see this place? You suffer. I'll deal with you.
Are you slapping me, sir?
You
just got 3 slaps from this man. Here. Just because I told him to come and get his stuff and pay me my money. So he's claiming that
Tell them, my name is Honorable Alex Ikweche. I'm a member of the House of Reps. Tell them I slapped you.
Okay.
Call the Inspector General of Police. Call him, let him come.
The special adviser to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu on top information and strategy will be by Ononuga don come out to come dey talk to say why the Economic and Financial Crime Commission will be EFCC never fit arrest the former governor of Kogi State will be Yahaya Bello. Say because Yahaya Bello they hide under the Kogi State governor will be Usman Ododo. Say now they cover Yahaya Bello with insecurity and also immunity when he get as a governor.
Yahaya Bello is hiding under the agbada of the governor of Kogi State, his successor, who happens to enjoy immunity. That's the problem. Because if he stays inside Governor Ododo's house, the police cannot do anything because he will be violating that immunity that the man enjoys.
The House of Representative members and also National Assembly don come talk on top the matter wey happen between Honourable Alexander Ikweche and the taxi driver wey be Stephen Abrasaye as they come dey talk say that they monitor the matter as they go very seriously and also they go make sure say they go hold all their officials them accountable of their behaviours. Now be small something as hunger and suffering don come affect Nigerians well because of the bad economy wey dey happen for inside Nigeria as they come see some Nigerians for inside Kaduna State for on top this video they go dey pack rice wey throw away for ground and the rice they don't even miss withstand after one trailer we get accident e come fall we make the food stocks they be say carry come dey throw away. Now so these plenty people they come dey thank God to say now say they don't see food to chop. Meanwhile those rice and also the spaghetti they be say they throw away don't mix well with sand.
See what people dey pack for ground. See wetin we pack dey eat. That's to tell you say hunger dey this morning.
Oh, God don't give us food this morning.
Una dey hear? God don't give them food. See am. Just imagine. See am. Na motor where fall where get accident be this. All the things where carry now they don't lose. All the things where carry now they don't lose. See am.
After wey the FCT minister wey be Nyesom Wike warn the beggars dem for inside Abuja say make dem comot for Abuja road because he no wan see them again. If not, he go start to dey arrest them. For on top this video, they don see the FCT officials wey don arrest about 34 beggars dem wey see the day for the street of Abuja and on Monday, October 28, 2024, na they arrest them. One Nigerian man wey im name be Joe Anthony Viado wey dey live for inside United States of America, they don declare am wanted as American Economic Police come dey find am say because im go do yahoo oyinbo dey call cybercrime as im run comot for inside United States of America. But later, they don hear the tori say they don arrest am for inside Quezon City wey dey for Philippines. Na on Monday, October 28, 2024, na dey come out come yarn the story. Some community people for inside Benin City, Edo State don come shocktalize after wey thunder strike as fire come catch one coconut tree. Meanwhile, rain not even dey fall the period wey the thunder take strike as the coconut tree come dey burn fire seriously wey make people come dey shocktalize.
Coconut cash oil.
For no reason, yes. Coconut that
That's all that we track us now.
innocent blood, guy, too much.
He make
Blood, they don't fall down.
I swear.
The former militant oga wey be Asari Dokubo don come yarn say President Bola Ahmed Tinubu dey support the FCT minister wey be Nyesom Wike make him scatter Rivers State, but President Bola Ahmed Tinubu wey be say supposed to tell Nyesom Wike the truth to say wetin im dey do say e no good at all. As im come dey talk say they wan remove the Rivers State governor wey be Sim Fubara and they think say nothing go happen. Say but if they try am to remove or make attempt to remove the Rivers State governor wey be Sim Fubara, say something go must happen. In come out come yarn this talk on top Arise Television.
And what is happening in Rivers State, where President Ahmed Bola Tinubu is supporting Nyesom Wike to destabilize Rivers State, to disturb the peace of Rivers State. Because what they are trying to do is, we are going to remove Fubara and nothing will happen. And I'm saying that if you remove Fubara, something will happen.
Abuja residents they don come shocktalize as they come dey more careful after wey they see one Toyota Corolla car wey one man fall come out from inside the car. As they come dey yarn say na one chance armed robbers dem na dey push the man comot from inside the car for inside Abuja road. Some Nigeria Economic Police officers wey say they no wear full uniform don come carry gun with some Lexus car and Matrix car to wan try to enter one man compound as the man no gree say until wey they go give am search warrant before he go allow them to enter. As they call about police officers dem no fit show them any search warrant, na so they come dey exchange word, but the man no gree say lie o, he no go allow them to enter inside him compound. Say because like this now they no even carry police motor and they no even wear complete uniform. Meanwhile they wan enter him house to come search am, wey make the man no come gree at all.
You go bring a warrant. I swear to God Almighty, if you enter my house, I swear to God Almighty. For this thing, you're not entering my house because I don't know you.
It is not a warrant. It is not a warrant.
Thank you. Me, I don't have a problem with them coming, you know. They didn't even come with police cars, so they came with Matrix, Lexus.
I see the look, you know.
Now, listen to the thing. Maybe the thing say I don't know which side they do.
The Taliban dem don come ban women dem make dem no dey hear each other voice for inside Afghanistan, and na on top one voice note message on Monday, October 28, 2024, na the Afghan minister come out come yarn this talk. The Indian billionaire wey don poof my wey im name be Ratan Tata don come name im dog wey be Tito as beneficiary of 10,000 crore wey, as im come talk say the dog go stay with the cook and the cook go use all the money take care of the dog. The way we say the dog go dey alive. Now Bishop News O'Clock, my name na Nehi. Make una enjoy your day.